Qwik Products by Mainstream Engineering manufactures some of the best HVAC cleaning and repair products known in the field. Products like the Qwik Lug Compressor Terminal Repair Kit. It's a product you always want to carry on your truck for severely corroded or pitted spade terminals. The patented Qwik Lug easily attaches to damaged and corroded spade connectors and tightens from the front for easier application. Qwik Lug fits most standard compressor terminals and provides fully insulated brass connectors. Another great product is the Qwik Swap. This is a variable airflow ECM replacement with access to 3 speeds. Coming across a broken ECM in the field is enough to make any technician stressed. But with the Qwik Swap's ability to control a 3-speed PSC motor, it can be used to replace a 16-pin or 4-pin ECM. The Qwik System Flush Line Set Flush Tool is another neat product. Use this handy tool to access piping and line sets anytime there isn't a flare fitting or Schrader valve. Of course, don't forget to check out their top-notch cleaning products, descalers, and more at jacksonsystems.com. And as always, thanks for watching.